So this is Esme Singh Shaiza representing Manipur at Miss Friendship International 2025. I work as a fashion model, but now in the world of pageantry, as I step in, I have the weight of the crown of Miss Shri Lily, which is a pageant that celebrates the one and only lily that grows on the peak of Shri, and it is the only single lily that is found in the whole wide world. And I represent that lily as I stand here. Friendship, I think, is the most beautiful relationship. It's one that nurtures, and it's finding family and friendship in friends. So it's also equivalent to finding a shoulder to lean on in happy and happy or sad times. This is my first time in China, and I have to say that we have very similar cultures. And I think I need a Chinese roof when I make a new house. I find it beautiful. The food is amazing. The people are amazing. They're very sweet. And I will definitely come back to China again and again.